Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate complementary and supplementary angles of degrees, minutes, and seconds when working with engineering surveying instruments. But before we start, why do you need to know this? The measurement from a total station, for example, can be northeast bearing, northwest bearing, southeast bearing, or southwest bearing. If the instrument subtracts an azimuth angle from 90 degrees, this is called the complementary angle of the degrees, minutes, and seconds. But if the instrument subtracts an azimuth angle from 180 degrees, this is called the supplementary angle of the degrees, minutes, and seconds. However, do not confuse the azimuth and the bearing of the measured angles, which has been dedicated to another video. In this Mathematics of Engineering Surveying video, we are going to learn only how to work with complementary angles and supplementary angles of degrees, minutes, and seconds. Let's consider complementary angles of degrees, minutes, and seconds. Let's consider this question. Find the complementary angle of 59 degrees, 43 minutes, and 40 seconds. The first step is, what is complementary angle? Angles are complementary when they add up to 90 degrees. Hence, in this problem, we are going to have 90 degrees minus all this. With that in mind, we are going to be solving this. However, we have a problem here. 0 cannot subtract 40. Hence, we go to the minutes to see if we can borrow 1 minute. However, we still have a problem here because this is equally 0. Hence, we need to go to 90 degrees, where we need to borrow 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. Hence, if I remove 1 hour here, I'll be left with 89 degrees. And here still remains 59 degrees. The 1 hour I borrowed, which is 60 minutes, will make here 60 minutes, while here still remains 43 minutes. This is minutes, and this still remains the same, 0 seconds, 40 seconds. Let's see if we can still subtract. However, in this our new formed question, this is still not possible. Hence, I need to borrow 60 seconds here. Hence, if I take 1 minute from here, and here will become 60 seconds, hence, I'll be left with 59 minutes here. This is 43. This is 89 degrees. And this is 59 degrees. Hence, this is no longer 60. Here becomes a 60 seconds, and here becomes a 40 seconds. Now, let me try to see if I can subtract. 60 seconds subtract 40 seconds. You have 20 seconds. Next, 59 minutes minus 43 minutes. You have 16 minutes. Next, 89 degrees minus 59 degrees. You have 30 degrees. This is now our final answer. This is less than 60 seconds. This is less than 60 minutes. Pause the video and try this out. Check your answer to see if you actually got this. Next, let's consider the supplementary angles of degrees, minutes, and seconds. The first step is, what is supplementary angle? Angles are supplementary when they add up to 180 degrees. Hence, it will be 180 degrees minus this. So let's try to subtract this. Starting with the seconds, we have a problem here. This cannot subtract this. Hence, we go to the minutes to see if we can borrow 1 minute. But we still have another problem. Hence, we'll now go to 180 and borrow 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. Hence, this will become 179 degrees. This becomes our new equation. Let's see if this can subtract again. However, we still have a problem here. Next, we'll now go to 60 minutes and borrow 1 minute. This is now 59 minutes because we borrowed 1 to this and we have 60 seconds here. Hence, let's try to subtract again. And let's start with the seconds. 60 seconds minus 40 seconds. We have 20 seconds. Next, 59 minutes minus 43 minutes. We have 16 minutes. Next, 179 degrees minus 59 degrees. We have 120 degrees. This is less than 60 seconds and this is less than 60 minutes. Hence, this is our final result. Pause the video and try this out. If you solved correctly, you should have this as your result. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share to help others. In the next video, we are going to be looking at topographic profile.